Hey, what's up guys? If you got this error, multiple directional lights are competing to be the single one. This means that we have multiple directional lights in our level. To find them out, just go over here in the outliner and type in directional light, and you need to delete one of them. This happened to me when I was creating this day and night cycle from the plugin. You can check out this video for a full tutorial. And what we can do about this, we need to have only one directional light in our level. And if you are importing something that already have directional light, my recommendation is not to go file, new level and basic, because these two, open world and basic, will have directional light in them. So make sure to select this empty level, and when you select this empty level, you can import anything that contains directional light and you will be just fine. So to demonstrate how the error creates, just drag directional light and you will get the error. Delete directional light and everything will be back to the normal. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.